Alright guys, so I just got done filming our weekly update for the Business Lounge, and I wanted to go ahead and create this super short video because so many of you guys have been asking for another Q&A episode, and I'm really excited about that. The last one we did a couple months back, and it's time for another Q&A. Like it's that time. And so I wanted to go ahead and share with you that, yeah, we're gonna take questions for the next episode. So leave them in the comment section below. They could be questions about marketing, about business, about life. I'd love to give you some of my feedback and some of my advice, very similarly to what we do inside the Business Lounge pretty much every other week during our Q&A sessions. So if you have questions, post them in the comment section below. I'm gonna go ahead and pick the top 5 questions and answer those, but even if your question doesn't get picked, which it probably will, if you ask a really good one, even if it doesn't get picked, we'll probably do 2 or 3 additional episodes of this, just like we did last time, and that'll be lots of fun. So again, if you want your question answered, please leave your question in the comment section below. If you can leave as much detail as possible, that would be great, so that I kind of get an understanding for your particular situation, and I can give you really good advice or really good insight that's individualized for you. So I'd love to share that with you here in the channel. And yeah, that's all I have to talk about. So we'll be taking those questions this week, and we'll probably come out with that episode next week. So definitely let me know. I love you. That's all I have to say. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye for now.
So, you know how building an online business can be totally overwhelming? You're probably learning new strategies from YouTube, other blogs, podcasts, and taking courses that are all great, but sometimes give you contradictory and even confusing advice. I get it. It's hard to filter through which strategies you should be implementing right now to grow your online business versus the ones that you should stow away for the future, when you're actually ready to implement them. And that's exactly why we designed the Online Success Path. Inside, we broke down the 6 stages of a successful online business: validate, launch, hustle, breakthrough, profit, and scale. And we designed a complete roadmap inside the Business Lounge membership just for you. Inside each stage, you will find a step-by-step action guide tailored to the specific challenges you'll encounter during the stage of business you are currently at, complete with getting started tips so you can know exactly what to expect, video tutorials so that you can implement new strategies, action items so you stay on track, plus full-blown courses to help you focus only on the tasks that will accelerate your progress right now and take you to the next level in your business journey while keeping you accountable and overwhelm-free. So if you're ready to take your online business to the next level, get started at jointheblounge.com.